Hello and welcome into another video on this channel. So very often when you are in the console you would like to edit some files very quickly and very easily. We are lately looking at Vim, which is a very versatile and powerful text editor. But the downside to Vim is that it's a very intimidating at first and it requires some time to learn all the commands and how to work in it. Today we'll look on a very simple solution, which is Nano. See ya in the console. So we are back in our Ubuntu console and we will be looking at Nano. Nano is a very simple text editor which is installed by default on almost all Linux-based systems. You can also check it out on OS X, but actually it usually refers to Pico, which is an older version, but you can very easily install it on macOS using brew, typing like brew install nano. If you would like to work on it on Windows, you will need to find and download the binary. So let's look how the Nano looks like. Let's do Nano, and the second thing you pass is the file name. If you would give the file which already exists, it will open it. If you will give anything else that doesn't exist, it will open the blank window. So let's do text test.txt. Here is a basic interface and overview of Nano, and the most commands that you will use will be here as a tooltip. So let's write something. This is a simple text file. And now Ctrl W, where is? It's for finding and searching. You have other options here, like you can use backwards, regex expression, case sensitive or whatever. So this tooltip is very easy to get by even if you don't know the Nano at first. So let's look for simple, and it will find us this text. Ctrl K is for cutting, so we will cut the whole line, and then Ctrl U is for pasting this line as many times as you like. Another thing which you probably used will be undo or redo. Depending on your keyboard settings, it will be either an Alt or you can use Escape, because I'm right now in Poland and my Alt is for special characters from Poland. But if I will use Escape U, as you can see, it undo the latest operation, and Escape E will redo that. The last thing that we can look for will be the set mark and copy. So it like Ctrl K and Ctrl U was doing whole lines, so we were cutting like this. Here we can set whatever we want to copy, like the particular range of text. So let's click Escape A. We are in a mark set mode, and then we are doing it like this, and Escape 6 will copy that into the clipboard. And now we can use this Ctrl U as before. We will paste it from the clipboard. So that's very brief overview of Nano. As you can see, it's very easy to use and very simple, because even if you don't know the commands, you have those tooltips here. If you need more help, you can go Ctrl G and find some more informations. But once you will be finished with editing, just hit Ctrl X for exit. And do you want to save? Do you want not to save? Or do you want to cancel? So cancel goes back. And let's save it. And right now let's do a cut text. And here it is. It's a very simple solution, and it's a very good thing to know. So see ya next time.